and welcome to this lesson on AIOps, or Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations. If you've ever wondered how large organizations manage their complex IT systems, keep everything running smoothly, and fix issues before they become a problem, you're about to find out. AIOps is like having a 24/7 digital assistant that ensures your technology works as it should. In this video, we'll cover the key components of AIOps, how IT operations have evolved and why AI is now essential, the major benefits of implementing AIOps in modern businesses, how AIOps is different from other operational methodologies, challenges of traditional IT operations that AIOps helps solve, and finally, why AIOps is becoming a necessity in today's IT world. Don't worry, we're going to break it all down into simple terms, so let's dive in. Let's start with a simple definition. AIOps is a smart way to manage IT systems using artificial intelligence and machine learning. It can keep an eye on how your systems are performing, like checking if a website is running fast enough. It schedules tasks automatically, such as making sure backups of your important data are saved on time. If something goes wrong, it can even figure out what caused the issue and suggest or apply solutions. With AIOps, it's like having a super intelligent assistant watching over everything, learning patterns, and ensuring your systems work smoothly. To further understand what AIOps is, let's examine the foundational components AIOps is built upon. 1. Data collection and aggregation. AIOps platforms gather data from various sources, including logs from servers, applications, and networks, performance metrics, alerting system events, and cloud services. This data is aggregated into a unified platform, offering a comprehensive view of the IT environment. 2. Data analysis and pattern recognition in AIOps. AIOps leverages machine learning and AI algorithms to analyze correlating related events to find root causes, recognizing deviations from normal behavior to spot potential issues, and analyzing trends over time to predict future problems and optimize resource allocation. 3. Event correlation and noise reduction in AIOps. In large IT environments, monitoring tools often generate excessive alerts, many of which are redundant. AIOps employs intelligent filtering to reduce noise by suppressing duplicate or low-priority alerts and correlating related events. This enables IT teams to concentrate on critical issues without being distracted by unnecessary notifications. 4. Automation and orchestration in AIOps. AIOps facilitates the automation of routine IT tasks and responses to detected issues, such as auto-scaling resources during peak usage, automatically restarting failed services, and triggering workflows for complex incident resolution. This automation reduces human intervention, accelerates response times, and minimizes the risk of human error. 5. Proactive and predictive insights. AIOps platforms utilize predictive analytics to forecast potential issues before they arise, such as identifying systems likely to fail based on historical trends and suggesting preemptive actions to prevent downtime. These proactive insights enable IT teams to stay ahead of problems, ensuring smoother operations. 6. Collaboration and communication in AIOps. AIOps integrates with IT service management, ITSM, tools to enhance collaboration among teams. It offers incident management workflows, real-time dashboards and reports for stakeholder updates, and integration with communication tools to streamline responses. 7. Continuous learning and improvement in AIOps. AIOps systems enhance their effectiveness over time by learning from historical data and feedback. This continuous learning capability allows the platform to adapt to changing IT environments, improving its ability to detect and resolve issues. To understand why AIOps is important, let's look at how IT operations have evolved over time. Traditional IT operations relied on manual system monitoring by IT teams. In the event of a system crash, they had to manually investigate logs to identify the issue. Problem solving was primarily reactive, with issues being addressed only after they had already caused disruptions. Modern IT operations with AI, AIOps involves continuous system monitoring, detecting patterns, and predicting failures. Instead of waiting for issues to occur, AI proactively prevents problems before they happen. It also automates repetitive tasks, allowing IT teams to focus on more complex challenges. So, why are businesses adopting AIOps? Here are some major benefits. 1. Faster incident resolution. AIOps reduces downtime by identifying and fixing issues before they impact users. 2. Improved IT efficiency. IT teams no longer have to spend hours manually troubleshooting. AIOps automates the process. 3. Cost savings. By preventing failures, businesses save money that would have been lost due to system outages. 4. Better security. AIOps can detect cybersecurity threats early and alert IT teams instantly. 5. Smarter decision making. AIOps provides real-time insights, helping businesses optimize their IT infrastructure. Simply put, AIOps makes IT operations faster, smarter, and more reliable. Now that we understand AIOps, let's compare it with some widely used IT methodologies. 1. AIOps versus traditional IT operations. Traditional IT operation monitors systems but doesn't predict future failures like AIOps. 2. AIOps versus DevOps. DevOps helps teams deploy applications faster, but AIOps focuses on keeping IT systems running smoothly. 3. AIOps versus ITSM, IT Service Management. IT Service Management focuses on managing IT services but doesn't use AI to automate problem solving. While all these approaches are useful, AIOps brings AI-powered automation, making it the most advanced solution for IT operations today. Now, before AIOps, IT teams faced many challenges, such as 1. Siloed operations. Teams often work in isolation, leading to fragmented insights and inefficient troubleshooting. AIOps unifies data across the IT infrastructure, providing a comprehensive view of operations. 2. Reactive problem solving. Traditional methods address issues only after they arise, resulting in extended downtime and higher operational costs. AIOps uses predictive analytics to identify potential problems proactively, reducing downtime. 3. Manual processes. Many tasks rely on manual effort, making them time-consuming and error-prone. AIOps automates repetitive tasks such as log analysis and resource scaling, improving efficiency and accuracy. 4. Overwhelming data volume. Modern IT systems generate vast amounts of data, leading to data overload and missed opportunities for insights. AIOps leverages AI and machine learning to process large data volumes in real time, delivering actionable insights. 5. Inefficient root cause analysis. Identifying the root cause of issues can take hours due to complex interdependencies. AIOps employs AI-driven correlation to quickly pinpoint root causes, drastically reducing resolution time. 6. Lack of adaptability. Traditional IT operations struggle with the complexities of hybrid cloud and multi-cloud environments. AIOps adapts by offering continuous monitoring, dynamic scaling, and intelligent orchestration. As IT environments become more complex, AIOps has shifted from being optional to essential. The rise of cloud computing, big data, and IoT has expanded the IT infrastructure businesses must manage. Cybersecurity threats are more advanced than ever, requiring AI-driven protection. To stay competitive, businesses ensure seamless IT operations. Companies that adopt AIOps will gain a significant advantage over those that don't. In this tutorial, we explored how AIOps leverages AI and machine learning to automate IT operations, making them more efficient and proactive. We discussed its key components, including data collection, AI-driven analysis, automation, and intelligent insights, which help businesses optimize their IT environments. We also looked at how IT operations have evolved from manual troubleshooting to AI-powered automation, significantly reducing downtime and improving overall efficiency. Then we looked at some of the benefits of AIOps, which include faster issue resolution, cost savings, enhanced security, and smarter decision-making. Next, we revealed how AIOps differs from traditional IT operations by proactively preventing failures rather than just monitoring and reacting. We also discussed some of the challenges traditional IT operations face, like data overload, slow problem detection, and high operational costs. AIOps helps solve these problems. And lastly, why AIOps is becoming a necessity as businesses grow more dependent on IT, cloud computing, and real-time data processing. By implementing AIOps, organizations can ensure reliable, efficient, and intelligent IT operations, keeping up with the fast-changing digital world. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.